And hello guys, it's me, your boy Mursal Al Hussein. I'm back again with another video. So today what I'm gonna do is we're gonna make you can't even believe it. Ramadan's finished, thank God for that. And the whole time I've been craving ramen. I just want to eat I just want to go eat some ramen, but like restaurants are closed, coronavirus, blah blah blah. And I'm broke, so I thought, you know what? Why don't I just make that shit at home? I can just do this at home. It's not even that difficult. Plus, during this 30 days, 60, I don't even know how long I've been inside, but during this time, I have realized me, chef, same what's up. So, what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make ramen, real nigga style. Now, for ingredients, what you're gonna need is chicken, salt and pepper. Pepper that bitch. Harafu, some spring onion, some bell peppers. Come on. There we go. Some bell peppers. And this is garlic and ginger. And nakapoa. Wow. And also some oyster sauce and some soy sauce, to give it the flavor. And last but not least, because we're broke, Indomie, Indonesia's gift to the world. God bless Indonesia. Without these guys, where would all of the students around the world be? How could you? We don't know, but thank you for you. We love you so much. Asante sana. So let's get down to business. You light the flame. Hold on. Now for this next step, you're going to want to heat up a pan with some oil. It doesn't have to be a lot of oil. It's enough for like the chicken not to stick. At least that's how I like doing it. You fry it the way you want. It's just, I really just do it to give it a bit of color. So once the pan is hot enough, just lay it in there. And now, as the chicken cooks, what you're gonna do is you're gonna prepare your sauce. Now for this, it's simple. It's a simple thing. I'm telling you, it's easy. What you need is you need to take some soy sauce. Some soy sauce. You will also need some oyster sauce. Lee Kung Ki from Hong Kong, straight for the motherland. Free Hong Kong, man. Fuck China. Wait, free Hong Kong. Okay, so that's a dollop of oyster sauce, and you dunk in some soy sauce, and you mix that shit. You mix it very well. So hold on. Tablespoon of paprika for heat. Then you mix it. Now you're gonna set this aside, you're gonna use it later now. Now once the chicken is out of the fire, just leave it there to sit for a little bit, for a while, so the juices can juice themselves. Now you return to the pan. You want to add some oil to the pan. Get that everywhere, nice. Don't worry about it. You gotta get the oil in there. You see that gunk? Don't worry, that's flavor, that's umami. We're gonna use that, don't worry. Your garlic and your ginger. Now I'm gonna put my phone down. Flavor. Now, not all of it, just a bit. Well, most of it. I can chop this correctly. You out. And you keep cooking that bitch. Next, you want to add your bell peppers. Add that in. Stir fry. chicken like we had earlier previously cooked. You don't have to do it. I like to do it. I'll show you why in a second. Just dunk that right back in there. Soy sauce on top just to cook it out. Wow, guys, this smells so nice. Oh my god. Make sure the chicken gets coated in all of this juicy goodness. It just adds the flavor so much, guys, like you have no idea. Okay, that should be enough. Now we turn it off. Now you want to boil an egg. Now let it boil. Now the best way to boil it, you know, they say you should have it soft boiled, but come on, who eats egg soft boiled? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take this egg, you're gonna dunk it in some hot water, and then you're going to forget about it. And when you remember, give it another 5 minutes, and then take the egg out to make sure it's fully cooked. As you can see, the water is practically evaporated. The egg should have been ready by now. So I'm just gonna use this. Take the egg out, put it aside. Indomie, 2 packs. 1, 2. Now just the last step is you take the sauce that we made earlier, you drain it, all of it in there. Looks good. Then you're gonna get the noodles. You're gonna need one of these. Just take the noodles out of the, oh, okay. These are already broken up. And just, you know, carefully, crap. Making sure not to spill. Don't be like me. Just get as much as you can right into the bowl. You get me? You want to add the noodles and the mixture into this, and then last but not least, you just add all of this in there. I can't do it without both of my hands. I'm just gonna put my phone down and show you what it looks like once everything is complete. And voila, this is the final. This is how it looks before it goes into my tummy. It looks so yummy. So basically, guys, that's it. That's basically the whole thing. It's not that hard to do. It took me like 15 minutes. I would have been done faster if I didn't have to record this video, to be honest. But anyway, if you like the video, make sure you like, subscribe, you know. And as always, thank you for choosing me, the better option, Safaricom.